Hi, this is Dr. Manjunath, fertility expert and laparoscopic surgeon. Welcome to my fertility talk. In this video, I am going to tell you about the cost of IVF, that is cost of ICSI procedure in India. Generally, the cost of IVF, people think that it's very costly and we cannot afford. There are so many modifications of IVF where you can afford this kind of treatment and you can fulfill your dream of having a baby. So the cost varies. Why people tend to think that the cost of IVF is more? Because the entire cost depends on the clinic you choose, the laboratory or equipment or the media to culture those embryos, and the drugs, the hormonal injections we use, and also it depends on the patient profile. Suppose if the patient are young, we tend to use less doses of injections, so naturally the cost will be less. So in the same case, if the patient is little older, we tend to use more doses and automatically the cost will be more. So there is something called as low cost IVF also, where we tend to use lesser doses of injection or lesser doses of hormone injections, so that the entire cost will be less. But in this low cost IVF, even the number of embryos found also will be less, maybe 2 or 3 embryos, which will be sufficient to do only one cycle. Suppose if the patient or a couple produces more embryos, we can store those excess embryos and use it in second or third cycle. But that may not be possible in cases of low cost IVF. So as I was telling, if the patient is young and if they use the self egg, means their own egg, the cost will be less. But if the patient is older or if they use the donor egg IVF, the cost will be more. Generally the cost varies from anywhere between 1.25 to 2.5 lakhs including the drugs. So generally the drug cost will be somewhere between 60 to 90,000 depending on what kind of drugs are used. Apart from the drug cost, the IVF cost will be somewhere between 80 to 1.2. In case they have excess embryos, that can be stored, and for that storage again there will be little extra cost. But when you are using the stored embryos for a second or a third cycle, generally the cost varies from 25 to 50,000. So this is about the cost of IVF treatment. There are so many variation in the cost, and you know that those variation depends on patient profile, the clinic, the lab, the media used, the drug used. So this is all you need to know about the cost of IVF. Keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep watching my videos for any more information you require.